An integer in Python is a non-fractional number. The operations you can do on integers I guarantee won't surprise you at all. Addition, 2 plus 2 still equals 4. There is no max integer in Python, so if you add 1 to the max integer from other languages, 1 will be added just fine. You've got subtraction. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. There's also no minimum integer, so the subtracting 1 from the minimum integer from other languages will work just fine. You've got multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15. You've got two flavors of division. 1 divided by 2 does division that results in the float 0.5. This is one of the byproducts of Python being a dynamically typed language. Even though both operands are integers, the resulting division is a floating point value. The other flavor of division is 2 division bars. That does truncation division, where the decimal part of the number is just removed. You have another kind of division called modulo division. 5 modulo 3 is asking when you perform 5 divided by 3, what's the integer remainder? The integer remainder is 2. You've got exponentiation. Exponentiation is just the multiplication sign twice. So 2 times 3 is 2 to the third power, or 8. A bit of an odd thing that the other operators don't do. If you do 2 to the power of 3, that result will actually be 256. Exponentiation is right to left associative, so 2 to the 3 is calculated, and then 2 to the 8th is calculated. A little bonus function you probably don't know about, Python has a built-in function that can tell you whether or not an integer is an integer, something like 5, and call isInteger on it, you'll get back true.